Welcome back to the UltFone channel. If you're looking for a simple, reliable way to fix common iPhone or iPad problems, Tenorshare ReiBoot is a tool worth paying attention to. It's designed to help users quickly solve issues that usually require complicated button operations or iTunes troubleshooting. Instead of searching for technical steps or risking data loss, ReiBoot provides a clean and straightforward interface that makes device repair much easier for everyday users. One of its most helpful functions is the one-click option to enter and exit recovery mode. This is especially useful when an iPhone isn't responding, when iTunes won't detect the device, or when you need to enter recovery mode to start a system restore. With ReiBoot, these actions only take a single click, removing the frustration of failing button combinations or repeated restarts. For users facing system problems such as being stuck on the Apple logo, frozen on a black or white screen, looping on the loading wheel, or failing to complete an iOS update, ReiBoot offers standard repair. This mode is designed to fix most system errors without wiping your data, making it an ideal first step for resolving everyday issues. When the problem is more severe and standard repair isn't enough, ReiBoot provides deep repair, a more advanced system rebuild that can fix stubborn boot loops, continuous crashes, or update failures. Although deep repair may require a full system reset, it provides the power needed to restore heavily damaged devices. ReiBoot also includes practical functions beyond repair. Its backup feature lets you save your data before performing major fixes, which is essential if your device shows signs of instability. The built-in reset tool allows you to factory reset your iPhone even when the settings menu is inaccessible, such as when the screen freezes or the system can't load fully. In addition, ReiBoot supports both iOS upgrades and downgrades without relying on iTunes. This is extremely useful if the latest iOS update causes lag, battery drain, or app issues, and you want to switch to a more stable version without dealing with typical iTunes errors. With its combination of repair, backup, reset, and version control tools, ReiBoot provides a complete solution for managing iOS problems in the most efficient way possible. Whether your device is stuck, unresponsive, or suffering from software glitches, the tool offers clear steps and reliable results. If you want an easier and safer way to fix your iPhone or iPad, click the link below to download ReiBoot. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.